Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu states, I was walking along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in a field of Medina Munawwara, while he was sometime reclining on a date palm staff. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam happened to pass by a group of the Jews. So some of them said to the others, ask him about the Spirit, whereas some others said, don't ask him about the Spirit. Later they asked him, so he stood reclining on the date palm staff while I was behind him. So I realized that he was being revealed. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, O beloved, and they ask you about the Spirit, say, the Spirit is a thing by the command of my Lord, and you were not given knowledge but a little. Surah Bani Israel, verse 85. Thereupon some of them said, didn't we say not to ask him about it? Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7456.